So I've been working on a poster for my machine shop wall. I wanted a fraction decimal chart with all the number and letter drills, and I also wanted tap drills on there and metric, and then I also put in speed and feed chart. And that's all well and good, but then you end up with a lot of white space. So I added in a bunch of interesting sayings. I got the idea for adding these in from a machine shop I worked at. In the past, they had an antique poster on the wall that was from the Chester River Machine Tool Company. It was called their Omni Gatherum. So this is my Omni Gatherum. And I've got a bunch of good sayings on here that I've collected off the internet and some off the old poster. Like one of my favorites is good machinist, just saw a typo. Good machinists make very few mistakes. The very best machinists seem to make none at all, because they are artists at retrieval and salvage and are quiet about it. I already ordered a poster, have that set up in my shop, and I also have some bulk posters. They are going to be 18 inches by 24 inches, and they're good size. They're definitely readable. My big poster I got from my shop, I decided to go all out and got a 24 by 36 poster printed. And that's great. You can read it from several feet away, so you don't have to get up right close to it. I'm standing at my lathe. I can turn over and look at the poster and get a conversion. I also have this chart that I made for cutting speeds. This is sort of my own creation. I think I saw something similar somewhere, but anyways, basically it's a two-step process. First, you pick what cutter type, high-speed steel or carbide, and then you've got a rough cutting speed for surface feet per minute. Obviously, these things change depending on tooling, machines, exact material cutting, whatever. It's close. And then you also have a surface feet per minute chart based on the diameter and your surface feet per minute, then what RPM you need to run at to get that surface feet a minute. So if you want to cut at 100 surface feet a minute and 10 inches around, that's 38 RPM. And if you want to cut, a quarter inch diameter at 900 feet surface feet per minute, that's 13,000 RPM, which is obviously unrealistic for most home shop things, but it basically means, just run as fast as you can. Like I said, these are estimates because my mill has 8 speeds and my lathe has 16, so it just gets you in the ballpark. So if you want one of these posters, they're going to be, like I said, I'm ordering some bulk ones that are 18 inches by 24 inches, and I'll ship those out to people. I'm thinking of asking around $10 for them. That'll give me some profit on them, and then whatever, I'm not sure how much it's going to actually cost to ship them out, but it'll be $10 plus whatever shipping is. So my guess would be maybe around $15 total. I don't know. I haven't shipped posters in mailing tubes before, so I don't know what their postage rate is. But anyways, if you're interested, send me an email. There'll be a link down in the description for my email. There'll also be a link to my website where there's a PDF of this. If you want a PDF and print your own copy, you're more than welcome to. So if you do reuse this chart, I would just ask that you leave my contact information down here. This is my little plug for my YouTube channel. So if you do want to print this out and give it out to customers or whatever else, you're more than welcome to. You can add your own stuff to it, but please leave my info on there. I realize this is the internet and you can do whatever you want. You could make your own one of these. Other things, quotes from Adam Savage: in every tool there's a hammer, and also perfect is the enemy of done. So, if you want one of these, let me know. I'll send one out to you. And if you want to print your own copy, just go to my website and pick up a PDF.